100% cotton. Avanti Home's iconic Gilded Birds collection is an elegant, classic way to upgrade your bathroom, kitchen or any room that needs an upgrade. Made from 100% ring spun cotton for durability and absorbency. Care instruction: machine wash warm on gentle cycle. Do not bleach. Tumble dry low for best results. Remove promptly. Avanti Home, since 1969. Avanti is the world's largest decorative towel and bath accessories manufacturer. Presents Gilded Birds Rug. Top reviews from the United States. Beautiful rug. Love this bathroom rug, although you can use it in any room with bird decor. It's machine washable, hang to dry, beautiful hand embroidered colorful birds. Lovely creamy and khaki colors. Perfect size right under sink. Buy it, you won't be sorry. Plus, Amazon is the cheapest price for this rug. Believe me, I always check before buying, even cheaper than other sites that have it on sale.